Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 22 of our Advent box unboxing from Snazzi Scrappin. Okay, I think it is dies again. I can feel the ridges. They feel a bit circular. Let's see. Oh, we have a cover plate die. If I can get it out, there we go. So this will be Australian size. It is nearly 4.5 inches or 11.2 centimetres by just over 5.5 inches by 14.4 centimetres. So it is Australian size, and it's a lovely pinwheel. That'd be lovely in different yellows and oranges for a sun. You could do it in like 70s retro colours. You could do it as patchwork. Very versatile, that one. Right, join me tomorrow for day 23. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.